চশমা overlay working.
কত তুলে যায়?
কত মজা করে। Hello guys, so we don't know where we are.
It's so cold.
You need a
It's a bit drizzly today, so I've got my umbrella.
Plus, it's not even that cold. It's the angle at again. It's like this from the side.
I think this is Magnolia. Oh,
Nice.
oh no, this I don't have any food. I'm so sorry. I don't have any food. I will see. I think we have one.
Oh my goodness.
There you go. Would you like a lid?
It's alright.
No?
Yeah, thank you very
Cheers,
much.
guys. Thank you.
Yeah, have some. Oh,
Hatasan naman to sa akin eh.
let's sit down.
Well, one hour.
Too sweet, eh?
You wanted to wake up.
Oh no. I think I had enough with coffee. Can't have coffee.
Can't have it.
Yeah, I don't know. It just wakes me up too much. Okay, guys. Alright, so we just had a little walk and now we're in this little cafe.
Just taking a little break.
Yeah.
There's a snail here too. Look. Can you see? Look, there's another one right there. This so.
Oh, up there. I don't know if I'll be able to see it. Alright, so we're gonna jump this little puddle.
1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Well done. And then this little one.
Okay. Di tayo lang. Team na yun.
Oh, check this out. I think it's gonna be fun. I can see it clearly. See how big? I don't know how long it's gonna take.
Very nice.
I know. Friendly today. Faster. Don't think I don't time.
Where's it gone? Yeah, just don't drop it. I thought it looked like a fox, okay? But it was just a Labrador. It's fine. Look. Is it?
Why is the focus not going?
Okay. Really raining. And then
I just dropped my camera.
I was already like this. I already accepted it.
Okay, we're gonna do some dancing now.
Okay, that's not right. It's raining a lot now. You've managed to get the lighting good.